Hello everybody. Today we're gonna see how to use Sendwave in Germany to send money to Ghana. This is really easy, and the first step we need to do is find in our browser Sendwave, and then once we find this, we're gonna click this first icon right here. Once we have this open, the first step we need to do, I recommend download the app because in the app you can uh, send money really easy. But at first we're gonna see how how much is the rate discount and transfer fee. Okay, this is easy. To do this, we need to click right here and select Germany. And right here we're gonna select or find Ghana. Once we do that, right here you can see in this amount this amount is what you can send to the other person in Ghana. Right here, you're going to type an amount, whatever you want, and in this area right here, you can see there is an amount. This amount is what the person will receive in Ghana in his country, okay? And this amount is in euros, okay? To send the money is really easy. Right here, you can see the exchange rate and transfer fee. To send the money, you need to download the app right here, clicking right here, and then open the the app. You need to sign up or log in if you have an account. Um, right here you can select or add all the parameters that you can use to send money to the other person in Ghana. It's really easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.